Hello guys, how's it going? Just a quick unboxing of the OnePlus Pad 3 here. It's a new tablet from OnePlus. It was released this year on June, I think. I think in China or Europe, I'm not sure. But yeah, now it's available worldwide. So yeah, I'm not really a tablet guy, but when this thing got released, I was really hyped about it. I mean, I really like the value of it. It has a lot of stuff in it, which I'll get into in a little bit. This is the 12 gigabyte of RAM and 256 of storage version. Um, yeah, there's another version I think with half a terabyte of space, which is yeah for me 256 I think it's perfect for a tablet. So yeah, as you can see, it's still sealed. I didn't open it yet. I wish I had the silver version because no one on YouTube. I really wanted. I was interested in the color to see the color, but I saw some. I tried to find a video unboxing the silver one on YouTube, and yeah, I didn't find any. So I'm sorry I didn't buy the silver version. So that would be a first of all, it would be a first, and yeah, I was really curious about the color also. But yeah, I think this color is also very cool. So yeah, let's go right into it, guys. Apple style. Since Apple released these tabs, like everyone copied them. So yeah, there you go. So I got this from AliExpress, a really good price. I'll leave a link down below. An affiliate, but yeah, really good prices, good bargains. So yeah, this is the tablet, and I'll just leave it here for a sec. Let's see what is in here. I think it's the cable. Yeah, it's only the cable because I think there's no charger anymore in this one also. And I think this is pretty much it on the box. Yep, there's nothing in here. So yeah, so you only get the cable. That's all. This shows a pen, but yeah, the pen is not included. Oh, nice camera. Sorry guys, my camera is not really wide enough. But yeah, this is the camera. Yeah, let's see. This, I don't know if you heard that. Oh wow. Let's see. Oh, it's really in there. Okay. Okay. Nice color. Very nice color. Wow. There's no studio lights. There's only one light in here. Hold on, guys. Yeah. Very beautiful color. Actually, I'm not sorry. I got this color. After all. Look at the screen, how big it is. I think it's a 13. Wow, the quality, guys. I mean, holy. The rounded edges. I think this is aluminum, of course. But it's really premium, guys. I'll be really honest with you. This is my first impressions. I'm not sponsored or anything, so I think there's a sign in here, but I think it's yeah, just wipe it off. Yeah, this is a nice tablet, guys. So let's see. How do I turn in this thing? Oh, there you go. It's right here, the power button. Oh, sorry. The power button is here. Come on, please focus. Yeah, it's not gonna focus. Sorry, guys. So the power button is here, and this is the volume up and down. I'm not sure what this is. as you can see. I think maybe it's a fingerprint reader. I'm not sure. Let's see if it turns on. There you go. This has like a 4K or 3.4K display, which is crazy for a tablet. And yeah, the focus just went crazy. Sorry guys. Wow. I don't know. Every time I try to see screens, this happens. They're effective. Yeah, really responsive. So I'm in Italy right now, so I'll put Italy. But yeah, guys, it was really, really nice feeling. It's really smooth. Whatever, just put United States. Next. Yeah, there you go. And I'll set it up. If you wanna see this was just a quick unboxing. If you wanna see a review on it, just let me know and I'll review it. I mean, I'll show you whatever you want to see on this tablet. But yeah, the quality is just crazy. I mean, it's really nice feeling and everything. It really, really feels premium. And it's really thin. I think this is gonna be perfect for movies and stuff. I'm sorry my camera is not that wide. I will have to invest in a wider camera. But yeah, there you go. So was just a quick unboxing. Again, if you want a review, just let me know and I'll do a review on it. All right. Okay guys, thank you. If you liked the video, just like it, comment if you want, and ask any questions, and yeah, I'll be happy to help. See ya guys. Thank you.